Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Naval Kumar Verma, and welcome to Homeopathic Next. Today, I'm going to discuss with you what exactly is homeopathy and what do you mean by being a homeopath and how a patient express his sickness and what has to be evaluated in a patient in sickness. Most of the homeopaths who are trained homeopaths, if a patient come with a shoulder pain or any problem, first of all there is a case taking and there is a language of materia medica and repertory. Initially patients and homeopathic doctors used to search remedies only from materia medica. Initial days of development of homeopathy, slowly when the remedies became more and more proving came, good mental journal, physical journal and other symptoms started coming. People started making repertories. First initial card repertories came, then various other repertories came, boric repertory, boning hassan. Those repertories slowly developed in a big way because of the more number of remedies which cannot be memorized. Now, what a homeopath has to understand and has to apply his knowledge is a very systematic process. First, how to understand a patient and convert that patient language into repertory is itself a very artistic work. For example, one patient came to me with a pain in shoulder. I will ask him, where is your pain? He will say, I have pain here on the right shoulder. It means I came to know the side, the right side. Okay. Second, I will ask him how it increase or how it decrease. Patient say when I do the movement of the hand, it increases and causes the pain. Then further I ask what happened next. He says when the pain increases, I feel more irritated. I cannot sleep. I'm restless. So I came to know his status of the mind. And I ask him more, which weather and what condition aggravates you. He says when it is more cold, it increases. Usually as homeopaths, we immediately start searching about remedies about frozen shoulder, remedies about pain in the shoulder. We go to the repertory, we search pain, shoulder, we put the rubrics and we see few remedies came. First 6 remedies we see. Then we try to pinpoint which remedy has more affinity for the shoulder. And usually we do that mistake and try to prescribe that remedy. In all this process, we became so mechanical that we forget patient and we forget the essence of homeopathy. Where is patient gone in all this process? Patient is an individual which is separate from the other individual. That context is missing in most of the teachings. In most of the practices also, we become very busy, very systematic and we try to prescribe by disease. That becomes more of the allopathic type of work, not as homeopathic. Homeopathic work diagnose a human being, diagnose a sickness in an individual, not a disease. Disease is one of the part which guide us what pathological changes at the surface has happened, but what has caused that sickness, what are the changes in that human which individualize, characterize, give characteristics of that human separate from the other humans. That time comes the homeopathy, and homeopath has to be very observant and should be capable of converting patient language into proper repertory language. Then, from the repertory language, coming to the similimum, not similar. Similimum means the most accurate remedy which has got all those characteristic, peculiar, and uncommon symptom which make that individual different from another individual. Same is the case if I have pain in my left shoulder. If a patient come to me, a pain in my left shoulder, pain aggravate when I walk, it is swollen. When I touch my knee feel very hot, it is in the left knee. I will start writing the symptoms, getting the open. I will open the chapter of the extremities, go to the knee joint and put all the modalities and start searching the remedy for the knee. No, we have to start searching a remedy for the individual. Why this patient is individual, characteristic, peculiar, what are the peculiar, uncommon in that human, and what are the causes which has caused those changes to reach to that pathological level. That individualization comes from his constitution, from his mental sphere, from his thinking, will, understanding. We have to systematically understand a patient to make his holistic constitution, to prescribe more accurate remedy called similimum. So, in this of my basic lecture, I would like to continue in my series of lecture how you will come to know similimum and how you will individualize a case and what observations as a homeopath you will have to adopt to come to a conclusion, to make that characteristic, to come to know those peculiar uncommon characteristic symptom, to prescribe accurate remedy, and the results are marvelous, which we have seen in our thousands of cases. So I welcome all of you to my first session. Thank you very much, and we will continue with stepwise in every lecture about our process of being a best homeopath. Thank you. Welcome to Homeopathic Next. Thank you.